Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make the trending blurry effects for your photos in CapCut. So first, add a photo to CapCut and then copy it. Then click on the first photo and make it as overlay. So now it will go like this. Click on the overlay and go to blend. And now lower the opacity into your liking. Okay, I'm going to go with around 40. Click on a check icon and now move the photo a bit like this. Okay, so after you move the photo, you'll get that blur effect and the result will go like this. Okay guys, so I hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.